Hello and welcome to the live session by Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. I am Misbah, your maths educator, and in this session we are going to start with arithmetic progression. So are you guys ready? Hello Pragya, hi Peter, hello Kunal, welcome to this session. Are you guys able to hear and see me? So in the previous sessions we were doing quadratic equations. We have practiced many questions on quadratic equations. Now we are starting with arithmetic progressions in this session. So are you guys able to hear and see me, guys? Just confirm that quickly in the chat. So we'll start from the very basic definition of an arithmetic progression. Hi Rashmi, hello Kunal, hi Study Time Manav, hello Peter, welcome to this session. Hello Dharni Dharan, welcome to this session. Okay, so let's start with it, guys. So the very first thing is, give me some seconds, there is some issue over here. Give me some seconds. Okay, so the very first thing over here is, what do you mean by an arithmetic progression? Can you tell that, guys? Hi Dharni Dharan, good evening, welcome to this session. So the very basic definition of arithmetic progression over here is, for example, I have got some numbers. I am taking very basic example over here. For example, I am taking 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. You see over here that we are adding the same number to get the other number, to get the next term, right? We are basically adding 3 over here so as to get the next term. Can we say that? So I will say that the sequence of these numbers, they are forming an arithmetic progression. That is the basic logic. Okay? You are adding the same number, you are adding the same thing to a number to get the next number, right? So that is the meaning of arithmetic progression. Sequence of numbers in which difference between a term and its previous term is same. You see? Difference between a term and its previous term. 6 minus 3, 9 minus 6. Difference between a term and its previous term. 12 minus 9, they are same. You got it? Sequence of numbers in which the difference between a term and its previous term is same. So that sequence of numbers is called arithmetic progression. You got that? And that same difference is called the common difference. We write it by D and we call it common difference. That same difference is called common difference. Any doubt in this thing, guys? Very basic logic. That same difference which is common over here is called the common difference over here, right? So that is an arithmetic progression for you. Now one more thing, there are some notations which you must know. For example, this is the first term over here, right? So you can represent it by A1. So that is equal to 3. You can represent the second term by A2, correct? So that is 6 over here. The third term you can represent by A3. So that is 9 over here. The fourth term you can represent by A4. That is 12 over here, right? So that is representation of terms. You can also call them T1, T2 as well, right? But we normally do A1, A2 only. It is just a convention, right? So that would not be wrong if you will say T1, T2, whatever it is. We are talking about the position of the term over here. Is this clear to every student in this session? Any doubt in this logic? Very basic logic it is. Is it clear? Is it clear? Dharni Dharan, Study Time Manav, Rashmi, Study with US, very basic logic, okay? So let's do a question on the basis of this basic logic. Can you find the common difference of this AP? Can you tell me the answer? It is already given in the question itself that this is an AP, so you don't have to bother. Can you find the common difference of this AP, guys? Can you tell the common difference? So common difference will be what? Difference between a term and its previous term, right? So that will be 4 and 2 by 9 minus 4 and 1 by 9. Can I say like that? So that is the common difference. So can I not quickly say, see, 4 and 2 by 9, I'm just explaining it, although you can do it in your mind, very good. You don't need to simplify it. Can I not say it is something like this, guys? I'm explaining the simple calculation logic, right? So basically You don't have to do this much in your answer sheet. I'm just explaining the logic. Therefore, I'm writing it. So I can directly say that 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. So 2 by 9 minus 1 by 9 is nothing but 1 by 9. So the common difference over here is 1 by 9. Is it clear? Exactly. That is correct, Kunal. Any doubt in this thing? Hello, Shweta. Welcome to this session. So 1 by 9 is the common difference. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing good as well, Shweta. Is it clear? Yes. So that is the common difference and it will be same only. See, if you find this thing, suppose I take 4 and 1 by 3. If I take 4 and 1 by 3 and I subtract 4 and 2 by 9. It means I do this minus this. Then also I'll get the same thing. Can I not say that this is equal to 1 by 3 minus 2 by 9 only? Basic mathematics, guys. I can say that 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. So 1 by 3 minus 2 by 9 we can write. So this will also be over here 1 by 9 only. You can cancel. You can check it. Because that is the meaning of common difference over here. So you don't need to check it again and again because it is already mentioned that it is an arithmetic progression. It is already mentioned in the question itself. So AP we represent in short by this arithmetic progression, we write in short as AP. I hope this is clear. So let's move on to the next one. Can you try doing this question? If it is given in the question that 3, k minus 2 and 5 are in AP, you have to find the value of k. Try doing this one, guys. So it is given in the question that 3, k minus 2 and 5, they are forming an AP over here. So it is 3, k minus 2 and 5, they are forming an AP. So you have to find the value of k over here. Let's see that, Kunal. So if it is an AP, what does it mean? That this minus this will be equal to this minus this, correct? It means I can say that k minus 2 minus 3, k minus 2 minus 3 over here, that will be equal to 5 minus this whole thing, yes or no, guys? Tell me. This will automatically come in a bracket because k minus 2 minus 3 will be 5 minus k minus 2. This is the basic definition of an AP. So I can say over here this is k minus 5 and this is equal to 5 minus k plus 2, right? So I can say this is nothing but equal to minus k plus 7 over here, correct? Very good. So I can say 2k is equal to 12. So k is coming out to be 6. Very basic question on the basis of the basic definition of an arithmetic progression. Very good. That is correct, Kunal, Ayush, Shweta. Any doubt in this question to any student in this session? Just confirm that quickly in the chat, guys. Is it clear? Yes, it's a basic question on the very basic definition of an arithmetic progression. I hope it is clear. So let's move on to the next thing over here. Now we have got nth term of an arithmetic progression, right? Nth term. Now what is nth term? You have to understand that first. See, an AP can be written like this or not, tell me. Normal form will be this or not. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Do you agree with me? And so on. The general form of an arithmetic progression will be like this. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. This is the general form of an arithmetic progression, right? So can I not say that this is the first term, A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4. Can I say that over here? Now what is the first term? First term is A. So can I write A like this? A plus 1 minus 1 into D. Do you agree with me, guys? In the same manner, A2 is what over here, guys? A2 is A plus D. So can I say it is A plus 2 minus 1 into D? Do you agree with me, guys? In the same manner, if I write A3, it is nothing but A plus 2D. Just see over there. I can write it A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Do you agree with me? In the same manner, if I take A4 over here, it is nothing but A plus 3D. Can I write it like this? A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Do you agree with me? Tell me. Is this pattern clear to everybody? Ayush, you see over here, you'll get it immediately. A can be written as A plus 1 minus 1 into d, because 1 minus 1 is 0 only. So I can do that, Ayush. In the same manner, a plus d, I can write a plus 2 minus 1 into d, because 2 minus 1 is 1 only. So 1d means d only. Is it clear, Ayush? I hope it is clear. You see the pattern. Now a plus 2d, in place of 2 I am writing 3 minus 1. In place of 3 I am writing 4 minus 1. Can I do that, Ayush? In place of 1 I am writing 2 minus 1. In place of 0, this is nothing but first term is nothing but a plus 0d only, na? Just use your logic. So 0d can be written as 1 minus 1 into d. Is this clear up till here, guys? Tell me. Any doubt in that? Dharni, Dharan, Kunal, Shweta, Manav, Ayush. Is it clear? So basically you see, if it is the first term, so 1 minus 1 into d. If it is second term, 2 minus 1 into d. If it is third term, 3 minus 1 into d. If it is fourth term, 4 minus 1 into d. So what does it mean? If I want the nth term, an, will it be a plus n minus 1 into d? Tell me. Do you agree with me, guys? So therefore the formula to find the nth term of an AP is a plus n minus 1 into d. Is it clear now? Ayush, is it clear? So therefore the formula to find the nth term of an AP is a plus n minus 1 into d. So if somebody asks for an arithmetic progression, if somebody will say what is the 100th term of that AP, a 100, so you will directly say it will be a plus 100 minus 1 into d, correct? So it will be a plus 99d, correct? Although it will depend on the value of a and d, so it will depend on the question and you will be able to do that. But is the formula clear that why the nth term of an AP is a plus n minus 1 into d? I hope it is clear, where a is the first term and d is the common difference and n is the position of the term. It depends on that position, 50th term, 100th term, 200th term. It depends on the question itself. I hope this is clear to every student in this class. Okay, so let's do questions over here, guys. Try doing this one. Find fifth term of an AP whose nth term is this. Fifth term of this AP. Okay, okay, no problem. We'll do questions, you'll get it. Although I'll give one more example, Kerur. Suppose you want to find for any AP, suppose you want to find 56th term. Got it? So it will be what? A plus n minus 1 into d. So it will be a plus 56 minus 1 into d. Okay? So basically it will be a plus 55d. You got it now, Kerur? I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Is it clear? Ayub Khan? And I hope the derivation is clear to you. Although this derivation is not normally asked in your school examinations, but you must know the derivations. It's a very simple derivation. I mean, it's just a logical thing. I hope it is clear. So let's try to do this question. Find fifth term of an AP whose nth term is given already over here. Okay. Try doing this one and let me know the answer, guys. Fifth term of an AP whose nth term is already given. Nth term is given to you over here. You don't have to find it. So an is already given. That is 3n minus 5. And you have to find the value of fifth term. You have to find a5 over here. What will you do? Tell me. Nth term is already given. You have to find the fifth term. a5 you have to find. Can you tell that, guys? So can I not see? Over here it was n, so you are using n. So if I am using 5, in the same formula you have to use 5, that's it. In the same formula you will put n is equal to 5. So 5 3s are 15 minus 5, 10. So the fifth term of this AP will be 10 over here. It will be 10 over here, Kunal. I hope it is clear. Suppose in the same question it is being asked that you have to find 100th term of this AP. So nth term is already given in the question. Now you don't have to find the nth term. So over here you just have to put 100. That's it. You will put 100 over here. So it will be 300 minus 5, that is 295. So 295 is the answer. I hope it is clear. Exactly, Mitali. Any doubt in this thing? I hope this is clear to every student. Okay, can you try doing this one? Write the common difference of an AP whose nth term is already given. Nth term is given to you. You have to find the common difference. Try doing this one and let me know the answer over here. So again the same thing. See, nth term is given. I have to find the common difference. What is common difference, guys? Common difference is D, right? So D can be, you can take it like this or not. A2 minus A1, second term minus the first term is the common difference or not? Tell me. Because if you will write the AP, it will be like this: A1, A2, A3 and so on, A4. So common difference will be what? A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. Correct? Difference between a term and its previous term. Difference between a term and its previous term. Difference between a term and its previous term. So I can go for A2 minus A1. You can go for A3 minus A2 as well. You can go for A4 minus A3 as well. You will get the same answer. So for that we have to find A2 first. So you see An is given. So A1 will be what? It will be 3 into 1 plus 7. So A1 is nothing but 10. Now A2 will be what? You just have to put n is equal to 2. So that will be 3 2s are 6 plus 7. That is 13 over here. Correct? So A2 is 13, A1 is 10. So the common difference will be 13 minus 10. 13 minus 10 and that is equal to 3. That is correct. Very good. That is correct, Ayush, Shweta. So if you go for A3 minus A2, if you go for A4 minus A3, you will still get the same answer because that is an arithmetic progression and difference between a term and its previous term must be same because that is the definition of an AP. Is it clear to every student in this session? Confirm that in the chat, guys. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Try doing this one. Find the nth term of this AP. You have to find the nth term of this AP. Try doing it quickly, Shweta, Ayush, Dharni, Dharan. So nth term means what? You have studied this formula. An is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into D. So you see the first term you can write as A1 or A. It is all up to you. That is correct. So A1 plus n minus 1 into D. Now first term is given minus 10. So just put minus 10 over here in place of A1 plus n minus 1 will remain as it is. Now you want to know the common difference of this AP. So common difference is D. So it is what? Difference between a term and its previous term minus previous term is already minus 10. So two negative signs will automatically come. So this is minus 15 plus 10 and that is equal to minus 5. This is the common difference of this AP. Let's see that. Hello Udal, welcome to the session. I hope I am pronouncing your name correctly. So you have to put D is equal to minus 5 over here. Now let's simplify. You'll get the answer. So you see minus 5n plus 5. So you will get minus 5n minus 5. So this is the nth term. Nth term cannot be constant, Dharni Dharan. Yes Udal, आपका स्वागत है क्लास में. चलो सबको क्लियर है. minus 5 is the common difference, Dharni Dharan. You please check it. It is the difference between a term. Suppose, okay, this is 20. There is a mistake in the question itself. Wait. This will be minus 20. Printing mistake. Otherwise it will not remain an AP. Okay. Yeah. So difference between a term and its previous term. It means I can take minus 20 over here. I can take minus 20. I can subtract. Suppose I have got minus 20. Then I am subtracting automatically. Minus is there. And already it is minus 15. So therefore two negative signs will come automatically. You have to understand that thing. So therefore common difference is minus 20 plus 15. So it is minus 5. I hope it is clear. Yeah, this is the nth term. Nth term cannot be constant now. How can it be a constant, Ayush? It will be a variable in n only, because that is the nth term. You don't know the value of n. So that can be a constant as well, but not over here. You got that logic? If nth term is constant, it means the AP is like that only. See, suppose it is 5. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 like this only. You got it? So it means A1 is also 5, A2 is also 5, A3 is also 5, A4 is also 5, A6 is also 5, and so on. If nth term is a constant, it means it is like this or not? Tell me. That's what I am saying, Mayu. You got that? Nth term cannot be constant. Na? If nth term is a constant, it means the AP is like this only. Na? The first term is also 5, second term is also 5. It means nth term is independent of n. Nth term is independent of n. It can only happen when d becomes 0. Use your logic. In the nth term, n will not be there. It can only happen with when the common difference is itself 0. You got this logic or not? Is it clear to every student over here? Okay, let's proceed. Let's move on to the next one. So can you find the value of A8 minus A4 for the following AP over here? A8 minus A4 you have to find. A8 means what, guys? 8th term, and A4 means 4th term. That's it. Try doing this one and let me know the answer over here. Okay, so Ayush is getting 209. I mean, that is near to impossible, Ayush. See, you don't need to actually find it, although, Dharni Dharan. Although if you are finding, then that is also okay. I'll show you one logic over here. It's a simple thing. So I want to find A8 minus A4. See, if you are finding the difference of two terms of an AP, it is every time independent of the first term or not. Do you agree with me? Because see, A8 will be what? A plus n minus 1 into d. So it will be A plus 7d. In the same manner, A4 will be A plus n minus 1 into d. So that is A plus 3d. Correct? So I can open up this bracket. I'll get A plus 7d minus A minus 3d. So you see, can I not say that A will be cancelled out? So the difference of two terms of an AP is every time independent of the first term. So that will be equal to 4d basically. So 4d is the answer. So you have to find d from this AP. D is what? D is the difference between a term and its previous term. So can I say it is 9 minus 4? D is nothing but 9 minus 4 over here. 9 minus 4 is 5. So the answer will be 4 into 5, that is 20. That is the answer. Is this clear to everybody in this session? 20 is the answer. Correct, Kunal. Animating mate, we have to find the difference between A8 and A4 over here. Is this clear to every student? Yes, 20 is the answer. Dharni Dharan, I hope you got it. Yes. Is it clear, Dharni Dharan, Ayush, Kunal? Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Can you see this thing now? Nth term from the end of an AP. This is another concept. Nth term from the end of an AP. I mean, it is the same thing, but a bit of twist is there. So first, let's do a question. Try doing a question, then I will explain the concept. Okay. First, try doing this question. Then I will explain that concept. Let's see if you are able to do that or not. Because actually the concept is not very different. So before doing the formula, let's try to use your own logic. Can you find the 11th term from the last of an AP? Or you can say 11th term from the end of this AP basically. Can you try doing this one and let me know the answer? Mayu, are you there in the class since the very starting? I am explaining everything from very basic. अगर तुम क्लास को शुरू से देख रही हो या तुम अगर नहीं भी देखा है रिकॉर्डिंग देखोगी तो समझ में आ जाएगा, है ना। बेसिक मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक्स हैं, एक एक चीज को सही से समझो, प्रैक्टिस करो क्वेश्चंस, तभी समझ में आएगा, है ना। ऐसा नहीं हो पाएगा कि तुम सोचोगे कि मैं फिर 5 सवाल कर लूं, 6 सवाल कर लूं और वो अच्छा हो जाए। देखो ऐसा होता नहीं है ना कभी। जिस चीज में इफ यू आर नॉट गुड एट समथिंग यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस, यू हैव टू पुट इन एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स इन दैट, सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट। देखो जिंदगी में हर चीज में ऐसा ही होगा ना, तुम कुछ भी नई चीज शुरू करते हो तो तुमको वो बाय डिफॉल्ट नहीं आती हैं, इवन कि तुमने बोलना भी सीखा है, करेक्ट है ना मायू, चलना भी सीखा है तुमने, हमने, हर किसी ने। तो कोई चीज ऐसे नहीं होता है ना, वो तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा। कुछ चीजें हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड इनवॉलंटरी एक्शंस, जैसे आप कहते हैं ना वो ब्रीदिंग करना, दैट इज एन इनवॉलंटरी एक्शन। बाकी और जितनी चीजें वो हम सीखते हैं। लेट्स सी दैट धरणीधरन इफ इट इज करेक्ट और नॉट। देखो मैं पहले इस फॉर्मूले को डिराइव ही करता हूं यहां पर, nth टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ एन एपी। तो देखो इफ आई हैव गॉट एन एपी लाइक दिस, a1 प्लस a2 प्लस a3 एंड डॉट 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 अप टिल व्हाट, सपोज करो कि लास्ट टर्म जो तुम्हारा है वो तुम्हारा क्या है, l है, ठीक है, ऐसे समझ लो। तो nth टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड का मतलब क्या होता है, अभी तक हम we were finding the nth term from the beginning, we were finding the nth term from the beginning, it means we were walking like this, है ना, we were walking like this, now we have started walking like this, you got that logic or not, we have started walking like this. Now you will agree with me or not कि I will use the same formula, I will use the same formula but from the start, nth term from end, we will use the same formula but I have started walking from the end. See, what is the formula to find the nth term from the beginning, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So do you agree that we will use the same formula, but in place of first term, because I have started walking from the last, so in place of first term I will put L over here, you got that logic or not, I will put L over here, plus n minus 1 will automatically be there na, because this is the position of a term, it will not change, but d will change. Do you agree with me that d will change? See, if you are walking like this, d is basically a2 minus a1, right, a2 minus a1, right, this is d basically, common difference. But if you are walking in this direction, if you are walking in this direction, common difference will be a1 minus a2 or not, guys, tell me. So isn't it equal to minus d over here, guys? Do you agree with me? D will be negative, it will not decrease or increase animating, it will be negative. So can I not say I will put minus d over here? Do you agree with me? So therefore nth term from the end will be L minus n minus 1 into d. This is the pattern, this is the formula. Is it clear? So nth term from the last is L minus 1 n minus L minus n minus 1 into d. Yes, animating. Let's check about this question. So I'll use that formula only. Nth term from the last will be L minus n minus 1 into d. Now what is L over here? L is the last term. So minus 62 minus n is 11 or not, because we are finding 11th term, minus 1. Ab d, what is d over here? Tell me. Common difference over here is nothing but, I can say it is 7 minus 10. That is the common difference. So that is minus 3 over here. Is this clear? That is minus 3. So I will put minus 3 over here. So the answer will be minus 62 minus 10 into minus 3. So basically this is coming out to be minus 62 plus 30. So that is minus 32. So this is the nth term from the end of this AP. So this is minus 32. Is it clear to every student over here? Very good. Everybody got the same answer. Very good. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. Okay, it might not be visible to you. So this is minus 32, right? I hope it is clear. So let's move on to the next one. Can you try doing this one, guys? Although you don't have to find some value, but can you tell that? Is 144 a term of this AP? Is 144 a term of this AP? You have to justify your answer for that. Can you tell that, guys? Is 144 a term of this arithmetic progression? So you see, what do we want to find? If 144 is a term of this AP, it means there is a position of that. It means 144 is, suppose, nth term of this AP. Can I not assume that? If suppose for some time we are assuming that 144 is a term of this AP, so it will be the nth term. We can assume that it is the nth term of this AP, correct? Now nth term is what? Basically it is a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d, and that is equal to 144 over here, correct? Now what is a? The first term of this AP is nothing but 3. You see this? This is the first term. In the same manner, n minus 1. What is the common difference? Common difference is 7 minus 3 over here, right? Common difference is 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4 over here. So this is 4 and that is equal to 144. So can you find the value of n, guys, over here? This will be basically, you will be getting 141. So n will come out to be equal to 141 by 4 plus 1. Or you can say n is coming out to be equal to 145 by 4. Can this be the position of a term of an AP? Tell me. Can n is equal to 145 by 4? Do you agree with this? Can n is equal to 145 by 4 for an AP? For any term of an AP? No. Because it is the position. You cannot say that I want to get 85 by 2th term. That is not possible. Position can never be fractional. You got that? Position can never be negative. It can every time be a natural number only because it is position. You got that logic? Position or count of something can never be fractional, can never be negative. So you will say that this is not possible. No, 144 cannot be the term of this AP. I hope it is clear. Answer is no. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Can you try doing this question? Which term of this AP will be 130 more than its 31st term? Which term of this AP is 130 more than its 31st term? Okay, please ignore that, Ayush. You are here for studies. Please try to do questions. बातें मत करो अपने में बिना अलग बातों पर, है ना? Question करो. You can talk about that only. Try doing this one and let me know the answer, guys. Which term of this AP will be 130 more than its 31st term? Okay, no problem, Dharnidhar. That's why I'm speaking in English. I hope you're able to understand that. It's okay, Ayush. Hello, Saraswati. Okay, so which term again means we have to find n, right? Which term means we have to find the position of a term. It means we have to find n. So which term will be 130 more than its 31st term? So it means an is equal to 31st term plus 130, correct? Suppose nth term is 31st term plus 130. This is given in the question, right? Now an is what, guys? It is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d, correct? A31 will be what? A plus 31 minus 1 into d. You can use the formula plus 130, that is it. It is given in the question. So I can cancel out a over here if you want, right? So over here, what is d for this AP, guys? Common difference for this AP is what? D is nothing but 15 minus 5, right? So d over here is 10 only. D is 10. So I can put 10 over here and that is equal to, this is 30, guys, 30 into 10, that is 300 plus 130. So this is basically 430 over here. So can I not say that n minus 1 will be equal to 43? So I can say that n is equal to 44. So 44th term of this AP is 130 more than its 31st term. 44 it is coming out, animating mate. 44 it is coming. 44th term of this AP is 130 more than its 31st term. Is this question clear to every student in this session? Just confirm that in the chat, guys. 44th term of this AP is 130 more than its 31st term. It's okay, you must have done some calculation mistake. Yes, I hope it is clear. 44 we are getting, na? You see 43 plus 144. I hope this thing is clear. Okay, let's do another question. Try doing this one. If 10 times of 10th term is equal to 20 times of 20th term of an AP, so you have to find its 30th term. Yeah, you must have done some calculation mistake animating, mate. Try doing this one. If 10 times of 10th term is equal to 20 times of 20th term of an AP, then you have to find its 30th term. Try doing this one and let me know the answer over here. So you see, you don't know what is the first term of this AP. Suppose it is A. You don't know what is the common difference. Suppose it is D. Now use the information which is being given in the question. That's it. 10 times of this, 10 times of 10th term. It means 10 into A10, 10 times of the 10th term is equal to 20 times the 20th term. So 20 into A20. Correct? 10 times of 10 terms, 20 times of 20th term. That is given in the question itself. So can I not say this will be cancelled out 2 over here? Now what is A10, guys? It will be A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So I can say it is A plus 9D over here. Now this will be what? This will be A plus 20 minus 1 into D. So I can say it is A plus 19D over here. That's it. You can simplify it further. So what will I get? I'll get A plus 9D. And that is equal to 2A plus 9 2s are 18D. Right? 9 2s are 18D over here. I hope this thing is clear up till here. So, wait. Okay, I did a mistake. That's what I was thinking. I did a slight mistake. Yes. So basically this is 38 over here. I hope that is clear. Now basically if I subtract it over here, if I subtract these things on this side, can I get A plus 29D over here, guys? A plus 29D is equal to 0. Tell me. Now what is this, guys? Tell me, what is A plus 29D? Isn't it the 30th term of this AP? 30th term means A plus 30 minus 1 into D, or you can say A plus 29D. So this is nothing but the 30th term of this AP, correct? So therefore the 30th term of this AP is 0. Is this clear to every student? There are many more good questions animating, mate. Obviously there is a time constraint as well, and obviously I will take in the subsequent sessions. Obviously you cannot do every question in one single session. Okay, I hope this thing is clear. So 30th term of this AP is equal to 0. I hope this thing is clear. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so that's all we needed to discuss in this class, guys, on the Infinity Learn class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. We are doing Pratham series for grade 9 students in both math and science, and Pioneer series for grade 10 students in both maths and science. Don't forget to subscribe to the Infinity Learn class 9 and 10 YouTube channel, and also don't forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel as well, so that you don't miss an update regarding these sessions. And also you get PDFs of these sessions and many more questions to practice. Bye bye, guys. We'll meet in the next session. Take care, everybody.